Origi maabithaa a urigitani kaunti-ini ya Nairobi nimehitite kuiga miro thutha wa ruhonge rwa NMS na thirikari ya kaunti kwaga kuhingia mendekithia mao ta uria maiguithaniire mbere ya gucokereria wira hindi ya Mugomo uria wiriga mieri 2 mihituku. Kuringana na mwandiki wa ngwataniro ino ruhonge-ini rwa Nairobi thuranira kaugeria, maabithaa aya matire mamukira mbeca ciao ta uria miena yeri yaiguithanirie.
So it's unfortunate that you are back to season 2. We'll do season 2, season 3 until the day we'll get all our demands.
Maabithaa atare aria makoretwo makiamukira mishara yao na magiteta makiuga gicunje kinene kia mbeca ici gikoretwo gikiregwo na oho makauga mbeca ikoretwo igicererwo.
They have heavy deductions. Some of them are missing up to 15,000 in their salaries, some up to 50,000 in their salaries. So money is being deducted haphazardly.
Mateta maya matirathirira haha kuona maugite makoretwo matekwamukira motungata ma urigitani rungu rwa mutaratara wa NHIF.
So up to now we still don't have a medical cover. It's unfortunate that we have actually 4 or 5 doctors who are admitted currently in the hospital. We are doing harambes to try and clear their medical bill.
Medical cover by the NHIF. So this business of going to look for other private insurance medical covers that are inferior to the NHIF, there is no way the doctors of Nairobi are going to agree to that.
Maya mokite oriri arutwo aria marathomera urigitani university-ini ya Nairobi marurunganire umuthi makienda thukuru uyu kumahe uhoro shararuku wa kanana magaikarira igeranio cia mwaka wao wa mwisho muthia-ini wa mweri uyu thutha wa mugomo wa arutani uria ukoretwo githi na mbere kumana na gucerithirio kwa mishara yao. Arutwo aya ni moretie urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu kuiguithania na arutani makiuga ihinda ria uria guthie gutungatira muingi ni rikinyu.
Ngoro cito cie ndito muno tutiramenya tugweka atia, tutiramenya ka tuthome kana tukiinuke tutigane na mathomo maya.
What we need is that please give us the best direction. We want to start our exams on 26th. We want to be examined on fair grounds and we want to go out there and serve our people. Come December 5th, we want to graduate.
Vice Chancellor wa University no Professor Stephen Kiama augite ni magite na giikaro na anyititemi akihinyiriria ati igeranio ici no igathie na mbere ta uria ifangiirwo.
The University Senate and the university management will do whatever is possible to ensure that they complete the academic year and they graduate just like the other students that we graduated in September.
Ona kuhanoro uguo akihinyiriria ati matigukorwo makiriha ona ndururu kuri arutani aria matakoretwo makiruta wira university-ini no hamwe na thibitari-ini kuria mehokeirwo kuheana motungata.
And we have been paying and we will continue to pay. And that one we will not ever fail. But anybody who thinks that he can be paid clinical allowance without going to treat patients, that one, nobody can do such a thing. That one cannot be done and can never be done.
Hadwini ha KMPDU yetagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.